Yeah, Fred's happy.
Okay. Today we will be making kettle corn, but it might taste a different way. So I already made my popcorn. You don't need a lot. I used the regular corners without butter. So I'm going to add some. You could just buy this at your local store. I bought it at Walmart in Indiana. Okay, so now I'm going to get my sugar. Wait, no, I gotta mix that around. I put too much sugar in. And, oops, oh no. Now add some odorous salt.
Did you already pick that?
And mix that around. And I don't think we're gonna need this. So let me check what it tastes like. Mmm, quite yummy.
Can I play one now? We can take turns.
Okay, you want to play Halloween?
Yeah. No, I'll play a different one.
Steve?
I accidentally added the wrong ingredient.
Here, I know.
Hot, hot, hot. Okay. So that I accidentally added vanilla, but I took it out. Now my hands are burning to death, but and then you just enjoy. Bye, YouTube.